Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open the file and saved a copy. Good. Now enable show/hide so you can see paragraph marks and manual breaks because visual clues speed this up. Click the paragraph that has the unwanted upper gap. You want that paragraph selected. Once done, look at the ribbon, Home tab, Paragraph Group. Make sure you can access the small paragraph dialog launcher. That is where you'll remove the extra space above quickly and precisely. Open the paragraph dialog using the small launcher or right-click and choose Paragraph. In spacing, change before to 0 pt. This removes the upper gap immediately, and check line spacing for single or your preferred setting so text flow is consistent. Apply to selection first to confirm the change won't affect the whole document unexpectedly. Once you click OK, scan the top of the page to confirm the space is gone. If not, continue to the next step for style or header fixes. If the gap persists, it's likely a style or header/margin issue. Modify the applied style, for example normal, and set spacing before to 0 pt so all similarly styled paragraphs update. Also double-click the header area or go to Layout Margins to ensure top margin or header height isn't causing the space. If you still see space, clear formatting for that paragraph or paste the content in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.